Good morning, class 9. Today we'll start exercise 6b. Okay, so in exercise 6b we will learn about elimination method. Okay, so in elimination method we will eliminate one variable. Okay, so you can eliminate x or you can eliminate y. Now we will do question 2. Okay, so in question 2 we have two equations. First one is 3x minus y is equal to 23, and second one x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so when we solve the linear equation, first we'll put the value in linear form. Okay, ax plus by plus c. So first one is already in a linear form and second one we will solve. Okay, so x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4. Okay, then we'll take the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 4x plus 3y upon 12 is equal to 4. And then 12 will quotient multiply. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Okay, so 3x minus y is equal to 23 is first equation, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 48 is equal to 48. Okay, it's our second equation. Now we will solve equation first and second by elimination method. Okay, so in elimination method we will in equation first and second, okay, we will we will multiply by suitable number. Okay, the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y in the both equation became numerically equal. Okay, so we have two equation. First one is 3x minus y is equal to 23, and second one is 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Okay, so in first equation 3x minus y. Okay, so how to y will 3x minus y, how will y will become equal to 3y. Okay, so in first equation we will multiply by 3. Okay, so 3x minus y is equal to 23 multiply by 3, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 3 into y is 3y, and 23 into 3 is 69. Okay, now in equation first and second the value of y is equal. Okay, and then we will add the value. So 9x first we'll put in first equation. Okay, so 9x minus 3y is equal to 69, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Okay, so the value of y, one value is positive and one value is negative. Okay, so we will cancel the value, and then 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, and 69 plus 48 is 117, and then 13 will go to divide, so 117 upon 13, so the value of x is equal to 9. Okay, and then we'll put the value of x in equation 1. So 3x, 3 into x, 3, the value of x is equal to 9, so 3 into 9 minus y is equal to 23. Okay, so 9 3 ja 27, 27 minus y is equal to 23, so 27 goes to right hand side and then sign will be changed, and then we'll solve the value. So minus y is equal to 23 minus 27, so minus plus minus minus. Okay, then we'll subtract the value, so minus y is equal to minus 4, so minus and minus sign will be cancelled, so y is equal to 4. Okay, and x is equal to 9. Next we will do question 7. Okay, so in question 7 3 minus in a bracket x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2. Okay, and then equation 2 2 in a bracket x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. Okay, so first we will solve the equation. Okay, and then put the equation in linear form. 3 minus in a bracket x minus 5, okay, bracket close, is equal to y plus 2. So 3, if before the bracket is minus sign, then sign will be changed, so 3 minus x minus minus plus. Okay, plus 5 is equal to y upon 2, so 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 minus x is equal to y plus 2. Okay, so minus x minus y is equal to 8 will goes to right hand side, so 2 minus 8. Okay, so 2 minus 8 is minus 6, so minus x minus y is equal to minus 6. Then we will take minus sign common. Okay, if we'll take minus sign common, then sign will be changed, so x plus y is equal to 6. This is our first equation. Now we will solve equation second. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3y. So 2x plus 2y minus 3y will goes to left hand side. Okay, then sign will be changed. So 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. Okay, this is our second equation. So we will solve this question by elimination method. Okay, then we will see in first equation x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, in second equation 2x plus 5y. Okay, then we will need to multiply. If we want to will become x1 variable is equal. Okay, so we will need to multiply by 2. Okay, so if we multiply by 2, so the variable of x in equation first and second will become equal. So now we will multiply by 2 in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, multiply by 2. So 2x plus 2y and 2 6 are 12. Okay, this is our first equation. And then second one, 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. And then in this time, so both have a same sign. Okay, so what we will do, we will subtract the value. In first one question, one value is positive and second one is negative, then we will add the value. But in this question, both value sign are positive. Okay, then we will subtract the value. So in subtraction, sign will be changed. Okay, so is plus 2x. Okay, so plus sign will become minus. Okay, this one is also will become minus, and this one is also. So plus now the sign of 2x is minus. Okay, so plus minus minus. Okay, then we'll cancel the value. Now the sign of 5y is minus. Okay, then we'll see this one sign minus and plus minus. So plus minus is minus, so 5y minus 2 is 3y. Okay, but bigger digit value sign is negative. Okay, so we'll put minus sign. So minus 3y is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8, and bigger digit value sign is positive. Okay, so you can put or not is positive sign. So now we'll find the value of y. So minus 3y will goes to divide. Okay, so minus y is equal to 8 upon 3, and y is equal to minus sign is also will goes to right hand side. Okay, so y is equal to minus 8 upon 3, and then we will put the value of y in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, so x minus the value of y is minus 8 upon 3. So plus minus minus x minus 8 upon 3 is equal to 6, and minus 8 upon 3 will goes to right hand side, then sign will be changed. So x is equal to, then we'll take the LCM. Okay, so LCM of 6 upon 1 plus 8 upon 3 is 3. So x is equal to 18 plus 8 upon 3. So the value, then we'll add the values. So x is equal to 26 upon 3 and y is equal to minus 8 upon 3. Next we will do question 10. Okay, so 14x plus 53y is equal to 135, and 53x plus 41 y is equal to 147. Okay, you can clearly see in equation first, the value of y is equal to the value of x. Okay, it's 53, and the value of x is equal to, in a second equation, the value of y. Okay, 41. So what we'll do in this type of question, okay, so first we will add equation 1 and 2. Okay, so now 41 plus 53, okay, 94x. Okay, and then 53 plus 41, 94y. 135 plus 147 is 282. Okay, and then we'll take 94 is common, so x plus y, and then 94 goes to divide, so 282 upon 94 is 3. So this is our third equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Next we will subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, so equation 2, 53x plus 41y is equal to 147, and then equation 1, 41x plus 53y is equal to 135. Okay, so in subtraction we will change the sign. Okay, if plus sign, so plus sign will become minus sign. Okay, so 53 minus 41 is 12x minus 12y is equal to 12, and then we'll take 12 is common, so x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, this is our fourth equation. Now we'll solve equation 3 and 4. Okay, so equation third is x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, and then we'll add the equation, because in first equation the value of y is positive, in the next equation the value of y is negative. Okay, so one value is positive, one value is negative, then we'll add the equation. So now we can cancel the variable y, so x plus x is 2x. Okay, and 3 plus 1 is 4, so 2 will goes to divide, so x is equal to 2, and then we will put the value of x in third equation. So x plus y is equal to 3, so 2 plus y is equal to 3. Okay, and then 2 will goes to right hand side, so y is equal to 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1, so y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Next we will do question 15. Okay, so in question 15, 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24, and then second equation 3x minus y is equal to 20. Okay, so first we will put the equation in linear form. Okay, so 10% means 10 upon 100 into x plus 20 upon 100 into y is equal to 24. Okay, so equation 2 is 3x minus y is equal to 20, and then we'll take the LCM. So 10x plus 20y is equal to 100 will goes to multiply, so 24 into 100 is 2400. Okay, this is your first equation. And then equation second, 3x minus y is equal to 20. Okay, so we will solve this question by elimination method. So in equation second we have minus y. Okay, so we will multiply by 20 to make in first equation we have 20. Okay, so we will multiply by 20, so 3x minus y is equal to 20 multiply by 20, so 20 into 3 is 60x, and 20 into y is minus 20y is equal to 20 into 20 400. Now the value of y in equation 1 and 2 is numerically values equal. Okay, we can solve in equation first and second. 60x minus 20y is equal to 400, and 10x plus 20y is equal to 2400. Okay, values already in positive and negative, means we will add the value. Okay, so the value of y will be cancelled, and then we will add the value of x, so 60 plus 10 is 70x. Okay, and then 2400 plus 400 is 2800, so we will find the value of x, so 2800 upon 70, so x is equal to 40. Then we will put the value of x, equation 2, so 3 into x minus y is equal to 20. Okay, so the value of x is 40, so 3 into 40 minus y is equal to 20, so 3 into 40 is 120 minus y is equal to 20. Okay, and then 120 will goes to right hand side, then sign will be changed, so minus y is equal to 20 minus 120. Okay, so 120 minus 20 is 100, and then we also put the bigger digit sign, then minus and minus sign will be cancelled, so y is equal to 100 and x is equal to 40. Next we will do question 16. Okay, so in question 16 the value of expression mx minus ny is 3. Okay, is equal to 3 when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. Okay, we will put the value of x and y in this equation. Okay, so equation is 5m minus 6n is equal to 3, and then next if and its value is 8. Okay, when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. Okay, if the value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5 is equal to 8, and then in same equation we will put x is equal to 6 and n is equal to 5. Okay, so equation is 6m minus 5n is equal to 8. So we have two equation. Now we will solve equation by elimination method. Okay, so this is our first equation, 5m minus 6n is equal to 3, and second one 6m minus 5n is equal to 8. So we will solve this equation by elimination method. So we will eliminate variable m. Okay, so how can we eliminate? First we will multiply equation first by 6, okay, and second equation multiply by 5, okay. So if you multiply by 6, so 6 5s are 30, and equation 2 multiply by 5, so 5 6 are 30. Now the numerical value of m is equal. So 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, and 6 3 are 18, okay. So 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, and then we will subtract the value because both value sign are positive, okay, and then we'll subtract the value, then sign will be change, okay. So we'll write minus, okay, and then sign will be positive because it's minus 25, okay, and subtraction sign will be change. Minus sign will become plus sign, and plus sign will become minus sign, okay, and then first one variable will be cancel, okay. Now the sign of minus 25 is plus, okay. We will see the sign of 25 is plus 25, so minus plus minus, okay. So 36 minus 25 is 11n, okay, and then bigger digit value sign, so bigger digit 36, okay. So 36 sign is minus, so we'll put minus, and then 18 minus 40, okay. So 40 minus 18 is 22, and bigger digit value sign is, so bigger digit is 40, and the sign of 40 is minus, okay. So we'll put minus, so minus minus will be cancel, and 11 will goes to divide, so n is equal to 22 upon 11 is 2, okay. So the value of n is equal to 2, and then we will find the value of m. So we'll put the value of n equation first, okay. So 5m minus 6n is equal to 3. So 6n, 6 into n. So the value of n is equal to 2, 6 into 2, okay. So 5m, 6 into 2 is 12, okay. And then plus 3 will goes to the left hand side, then sign will be change. So so minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15, okay. So 5n minus 15 is equal to 0, so 5 minus 15 will goes to right hand side, so 5n is equal to 15, okay. So n is equal to 15 upon 5, okay. So 5 3 is a 15, so n is equal to 3. So the value of m is equal to 3, and the value of n is equal to 2. Class 9th in exercise 6b, left one question is your homework. Complete your homework. When school will reopen, I will check your homework.